In this video, I'll address the issue of the right digital panel not displaying on your Lincoln Continental and how to fix it. This applies to Lincoln Continentals with digital dashboards from 1980 to 1989. Your digital dashboard has three panels. The left one shows fuel consumption, the center displays vehicle speed, and the right panel provides the date, time, and other important messages from the message center. The right panel is a common point of failure. If it turns on after a few taps of the plastic cover, that's one issue, but I'll focus on what to do when it doesn't illuminate at all. You'll likely need a message center control module. Finding a new, old stock part might be challenging, but you may have better luck securing a used one. I recommend finding one from a low-mileage 1989 Lincoln Continental, as this was the final production year of the 1980 through 1989 models and would have the latest revision of the part. Here's what the Message Center Control Module looks like. In my 1983 Lincoln Continental Mark VI Emilio Pucci Coupe, I installed a used Message Center Control Module marked 1988 that was mounted on a 1989 Lincoln Continental with about 75,000 miles. The module is located on the left forward side of the transmission hump above the accelerator pedal. Be careful not to confuse it with the lamp outage warning module, which is smaller and mounted nearby. The lamp outage module sends error messages to the message center when a bulb is out, but that's a topic for another video. Tools needed: flashlight, 5.5mm socket, preferably on a straight base with a socket wrench and an extension rod. Scissors, optional. Electrical connector separators. I would suggest 2 of them. Removal. If possible, test the message center control module on the salvaged car. Remove any upper sound deadening panel above the driver's side footwell. Unscrew the bolts securing the module to the bracket. The bracket is not needed for removal. Use electrical connector separators to carefully disconnect the wire harness clamps, or, if necessary, cut the wires. Installation. Remove the old module from your car, plug in the new module and test it before mounting. If it works, proceed with mounting it back onto the bracket. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.